Well, g'day, it is Jonathan here, and I've just installed the Dometic Journeyman into the back of my truck, and I must admit, it has completely changed the way I adventure on a weekend. But before I get too excited, I know what you're thinking. Jono, what the hell is a Journeyman?
The Journeyman is a pre-wired, all-in-one power system from Dometic, built specifically for the back of a ute. One box with a 2000 watt inverter, a 40 amp DC to DC charger, twin solar inputs, USB-A, USB-C, and a 12 volt cigarette socket. Everything you'd normally expect in a half a dozen separate components is now all in one, in a slim unit that bolts to the side of your tub.
Okay, so now you know what it is. Let's chat about how you are going to use it, and more importantly, how you can benefit from it on your next trip away. We'll go on to the days where you've drawn the short straw to go get the bag of ice from the servo, or you're worried about the seafood going off on Christmas Day. Because the single biggest reason people install a power system in the back of their ute is to run a fridge. And with the Journeyman, it is as simple as that.
The fridge plugs into one of 3 switched 12 volt push button circuits on the front of the unit, or through the socket or Anderson plugs for a plug and go system. The Journeyman manages the draw, the battery and the recharge, so the fridge keeps running without you running flat.
Now to the part that changes the game completely. 230 volts. Yeah, the same amount of power that's coming out of your wall at home, you now have in the outdoors. I'm talking a morning coffee on the coffee machine, a toasted sandwich on the maker, an electric cooktop running Starlink, charging all your accessories, your laptop. The opportunities are endless. Now that is a different type of weekend.
That's a 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter doing your work, with a built-in RCD safety switch protecting whatever you plug in. One press of the inverter button on the front and you are live.
Well, anyone who knows me knows I love cooking in the outdoors. I just think there is something so cool about preparing a recipe in the fresh air or down on the water. But previously I've had to rely on gas, and if it's windy or I don't want to get the full setup out, I kind of just put it in the too hard basket, but not now, because the Journeyman allows me to run electric cooktop and the good old toasty maker. A simple plug and play system now allows me to take my kitchen on the road wherever we are. Combine that with the fact that I've got my fridge with all my ingredients there ready to go, it has completely changed the game for me. So there is no longer an excuse for 2-minute noodles when you're on the road, because the Journeyman has rewritten the menu. Well, being in the outdoors for me doesn't mean the work stops. Like me, you might have things you need to do on the run. Could be emails, admin, charging, whatever the case may be. For me, I'm a content creator, so we're constantly needing to top up batteries, deliver content, charge drones, whatever the case is, and the Journeyman has given the ability for us to do that. It has allowed us to set up a mobile office wherever we are. Now, one of the big appeals of the Journeyman is how slimline it is. It's been specifically designed to tuck away on the side of your ute or your canopy or your roller tub, sit over the wheel arch and just be out of plain sight. This one pretty much blends in with the side of the tub liner here, and I don't even know it's there. I can still get my fridge, my swags, all my accessories in here, and now I have a complete power solution tucked away. So if you've got a car straight off the dealership floor, you haven't done any big canopy setup, and you're looking for something to tuck away and give you that power when you're out on the road, that's it.
The Journeyman mounts via a vehicle-specific rail kit and covers all the popular utes. Dedicated kits for the 2022 on Ford Ranger and Amarok are available now, along with our new universal mounting kit for broader compatibility. D-Max, Triton and BT50 are all supported via the universal kit.
Now to the part that closes the loop. You can do all this adventure without having to worry about running out. And that's thanks to the fact that the Journeyman recharges itself in 2 different ways. Number 1, it pulls about 40 amps of power off the alternator here under the bonnet and runs it back to the house battery thanks to the DC-DC charger. That means a 2 to 3 hour adventure to wherever you're staying, and the house battery is basically topped up.
And number 2, solar. The Journeyman has twin solar inputs on the back, one for a fixed panel mount and the other for a portable throw out when you get to camp.
Now don't get me wrong, you don't need power to go camping, and plenty of people have done it for years without it. But for those that want it, and I was certainly one of them, the Journeyman has unlocked a new sense of freedom. And now I'm spending more time in the outdoors than I ever have before. And isn't that the whole point?